Okay, now question number 4. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are minus 4, comma minus 2, minus 3, comma minus 5, 3, comma minus 2 and 2, comma 3. So let us give name for all these 4 coordinates as A, B, C and D. So in a quadrilateral, in this problem you should be very careful while writing the coordinates in a diagram. Okay, so you should write only in order. Even in the question they have specified taken in order. So what is the meaning of taken in order? Either in clockwise or in anti-clockwise. So I have written in anti-clockwise. So now A, B, C and D. So to find out area of the quadrilateral ABCD, let us draw one diagonal. So if I draw a diagonal here, you can draw either diagonal, either AC or you can join DB. Any diagonal you can join. After joining this AC, now this quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. What are those two triangles? ABC and ADC. So first you forget about this ADC. Now you got this triangle ABC and you got three coordinates A, B and C. So first, by using A, B and C, using area of triangle formula, you should find out what is the area of ABC. Then you should forget about this one. Now you got triangle ADC. By using area of triangle formula, that is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. By using that formula, you should find out what is area of triangle ADC. And then finally, you should find out area of quadrilateral ABCD as both the area. First you found area of triangle ABC by using that formula, and then you found area of triangle ADC. Both the areas, this area and this area, when you add, you will be getting a quadrilateral area. In exam they may ask a parallelogram also, so you should not get any confusion. As soon as getting a word parallelogram, you will think about midpoint formula, because diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. That formula you will think and you will start doing. But here you should find out what they are asking, whether area they are asking or missing coordinate they are asking. That you should find out in the question. In a parallelogram, if any coordinate is missing, either x or y coordinate is missing, then you should apply midpoint formula. Or they are asking area of a parallelogram, they are asking total area, means then you should apply what formula? Area of a triangle. That means you should divide the parallelogram into two triangles by joining any one diagonal. Then finding the area of those two triangles, after adding you will be getting area of a quadrilateral or area of a parallelogram. So this question is very easy for you. You just divide the quadrilateral into two triangles, apply area of triangle formula and then find the answer, and you post the answer for what is the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. Next question. What is the next question they are asking? Last question of this coordinate geometry. You have studied in class 9. The thing which you have learnt in class 9, you should recall that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. Suppose if you have a triangle and if you have a median, you have learnt a theorem in that 9th standard. Median divides a triangle into two triangles. So now this line is dividing the triangle into two triangles. What are the two triangles? ABD and ADC, and you have learnt that those two triangles will be having equal area. The area of this and this will be equal. That you have learnt. That you can apply here in 10th standard. What the theorem which you have learnt in 9th, that you are applying now in 10th standard, and you are verifying that result whether those two triangles are equal or not. So to split it into two triangles, to apply area of triangle, you need three coordinates. So here this D, you have to find out. How will you find D? This median means it is midpoint. So what is D? Midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. Midpoint formula you know, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Apply here. Let this be x1 y1 and let this be x2 y2. So 3 plus 5 by 2. 3 plus 5 by 2 comma minus 2 plus 2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So 8 by 2 comma 0 by 2, which is nothing but 4 comma 0. Now you got this coordinate 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. So first you forget about this triangle, keeping this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2 and this as x3 y3. Find out area of this triangle ABD. And similarly you forget about this side. Now you find out area of ADC by using this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2 and this as x3 y3, and check whether area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ADC or not. This triangle and this triangle area is equal or not. It will be surely equal, and finally you should write a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. That's all, last question of this chapter. So we have completed 2 chapters. So on Monday, exercise 7.3 will be conducted test for you. Okay, 7.3.